Hi, everyone. I'm Beth Ridley, leadership and workplace culture expert. Did you know that 79% of employees experience burnout at work? And for women, especially women leaders, the challenges around stress and anxiety at work are unique and further exacerbate burnout. But here's the good news. On October 22nd, I'll be facilitating an interactive workshop as part of the League's Women's Leadership Series called Be Your Best Without Burning Out. We'll tackle burnout head on and learn how to build your resilience. So here's three reasons why you should join us. Number one, you'll understand how your mind works. We'll dive into the fascinating research from the world of positive psychology to understand how our emotions drive resilience and happiness. Number two, you'll make resilience your superpower. I'll share simple habits that you can easily fit into your day to boost positivity and keep stress in check. And number three, you'll connect and learn from each other. You'll get the chance to discuss your experiences with burnout and share your resilience tips with fellow members in small groups. So, if you're ready to kick burnout to the curb and embrace a more positive, resilient mindset, join me for this workshop. Let's empower ourselves and each other to thrive in our professional and in our personal lives. See you on October 22nd.